Is this no longer my favorite mall? Oh no, am I too late? Am I too late? Is the Shoe Palace outlet closed? They're closed now. Which is weird because they got tons of products still. I don't know what's going on. We'll find out. I was dying to see what's going on. I don't know. We'll ask around. What's up with this? Let's see what's up with this Champs. Decent Jordan section with 8s. Couple of 3s. Got some 5s, 4s. They're really coming out with OG colorways. I thought this was like, I was like, what? They got these? No, they don't. They don't. Looks like the Valentine's Day section right here for the women. But what the F is this? What is this really? Who's into this? Who's buying this? 120 for those. Weren't these the shoes that they were like, hey, they look exactly the same as like some Starfish colorway of some super limited collab. But that's what they do, right? That's what they do. They make stuff way similar, and you know, they sit there for retail. 150. Damn, those are expensive. Of course, check in to see if they have a 50% off rack. No, not really. They do got one of these sales racks though. They do got one of these sales racks. This women's, this grade school. No sale. And I think these are grade schools because the prices are low on these. Got some campuses right there for decent price. Another one of these Evo SLs. Yeah, see, we have seen these on sale at some places because we've been seeing them for retail at some other spots. 130 for the AE2s right here. Standard backboard colorway of the one lows. Real Madrid for you soccer fans. You got the Gazelle version of these. Dunks been on sale. Like, that's a decent price for Dunks. The Sessions right here, we've been seeing these $50 for Jordan shoes. Are they just making way too many Jordans? Are they just throwing out way too many? Luka 4s right here going for $80. I'm so concerned about the Lakers right now, man. I'm so concerned about them. Austin Reeves is back finally though. But our defense, man, I don't know. Ooh, Homer 18, little sale on those. Okay. Here's the Shoe Palace with the biggest big screen around. They do have a pretty fire Jordan display right here, including all the jerseys and stuff. At the Legend Blues, they had a few releases that nobody else had, but they seem to be sold out. And probably should be because they've been here for a minute. Oh, these are the ones that just released. Kind of looks like the Mochas. They did tell me the clearance store is closed now, man. Dang it. Now this is just a regular mall. Yeah, dang, that sucks. I really enjoyed that clearance store. Now the Foot Locker clearance stores, the Foot Locker outlet is closed, as well as the Shoe Palace one as well. That sucks. $220 for these bad boys right here. We just saw these somewhere else. Where do we see these? But yeah, those definitely aren't available anywhere else. Do got the 5s right here. Haven't seen these anywhere. We've not seen these anywhere. These are 10.5, so they still got size left. The fire red. Black tongues. Do got the 8s right here. Also got the 1s. And they threw these in the men's section right here. These are women's release, right? Yeah, these are women's release, the Valentine's Day 4s. Then do got the 1s, the taxis. Actually, I have a lot of release here. The 5s, the pink 5s as well. Wow. Oh, Shoe Palace had these on sale. I was trying to remember who had these on sale. Saw these for retail just recently. And they also have these slides right here, the Mamba slides. This is probably what they should be. $30 is probably what they should be. These are pretty comfortable. It does have some pretty comfy foam on them. Oh, they use the Revive foam. I was about to say, I don't know which foam. The Revive foam, it is comfortable. And do got Rejuvenate. It's right here, going for $50 each. I feel like those Rejuvenates, they should be at that price too. 160 and then 70. Did these go down even more? I don't know. But not bad for the Diamond Tears. Just saw these for retail at one of the other Shoe Palaces. I think it was the one out in, which one was it? The Ontario Mills. I was like, I knew they were on sale. 130. That's $90 off retail. These retail for $220. Everybody else has them for $220. I swore Shoe Palace had them on sale. Sometimes, I don't know. I'm like, is it in my head? I don't know. But yeah, $100 for the Panda Dunks. Mocha section, ton of red tags. These Mofate Speeds, we've seen them on sale. Seen the Bondis, look at this. Bondi 9s, 140, 120 for these. Clifton 9s, the Bondis right here, 120 as well. Whoa, look at this. The Speedgoat, $270 right here. These are, I think, trail racing shoes. $70. These retail, I want to say like 170, 180. Then they got the Mofate Speed 2s, $100, 120 for this colorway. These are some really, really good prices. $100, $100 for these Speedgoats right here. Wow. That's the cheapest, $70. That's the cheapest I've seen. Wow. So if they don't have a clearance store anymore, does that mean that they're just gonna price it down like crazy at the regular stores? I don't know. But do got some on Cloud, was this the Cloud Novas right here, 130. Got a few Asics as well as the Brooks, the Omnis. These are kind of like some old school running shoes, $70. Got a bunch of different colorways, go for 70 and 100. Now what are these Currys? Like the budget Currys? These are budget Currys. It says series 387s. I don't know. It looks like budget Currys, $100 for these. The budget Currys are lower. No, I think those are the Curry 3s. I think they did a retro of the 3s. Vans coming out with some different stuff. Feels like one of those quilted. What am I talking about? Quilted sweaters. Feels like that. $115 for these old school luxuries. LX. Old school LX. Damn, it makes me so sad that the Shoe Palace clearance store is closed. It did stay open a month longer than it was scheduled to. It was supposed to be there to, I think, the end of 2025, but it stayed open for January as well. But yeah, I do got the Superstars right here. Patent leather for 70. And what the hell is this? What is this? What is this? Stan Smith freezes? What the hell? Yeah, I guess it does have that Stan Smith look. Definitely a different outsole if you need some dress shoes, I guess. Okay. And then over here in the women's section, where we do have some Dornbeckers. I was like, I'm pretty sure these are Dornbeckers. Dornbecker DN8s, Air Max DN8s, $210 for these bad boys right here. This is in the women's. Then they got Vomeros right here. Vomero Pluses. And the nice little discount. I don't know how much they normally go for $180, so $60 off. I'm trying to remember all the price in my head. $150 for these. See, more of them comfy shoes on sale. That's what's up. Oh, this colorway is also on sale. $150. Normally $220 for those. Pretty sure that's the first time I've seen the Vomero Pluses on sale at a retail store. It's the kids section right here. Yeah, pretty solid shop. You guys, pretty solid shop. Pretty dope because you really don't see jerseys at too many Shoe Palaces. They got Luka jerseys right here. They'll go for retail though. Is it like $120 or something? Pretty dope. Got JD Sports, Jordan section right here. Nothing too crazy. Colorway of the Evo SLs that I've never seen anywhere else. So the women's section right here, $150. Oh, they're coming out with all kinds of new colorways. Okay. And I guess that shows plenty. They got some Jordan 1s, some GR Jordan 1s right there. Their cases, but yeah, it's been pretty whatever. Sales just kind of mediocre. Got one last store. I did skip Foot Locker. They do have these Jordan 3s on sale, which means an additional 25. I'm gonna ask one of the workers because it should mean 25% off. Someone mentioned in the comment section they didn't have that last week, or it was this past week, and they should have it. Is this worth it? I like the color. I do like the color. I'm not a fan of the 4RMs, but the white cement does look freaking dope. I'll ask the workers in a minute to verify, but they do got Spiz Ice, got a bunch of non-signature J's. And I did shoot a video last week, you guys, and it was 1080p. Yeah, I was so mad at myself, messing with the settings on my phone. But yeah, they got some more non-signature J's. I think I still do need to grab these. I just don't like Jordan 1 lows, like the non-OG ones, because the leather's so mediocre. This, I guess it doesn't feel too bad. I just hate it when my shoes get all crunchy and stuff. But I guess these don't feel too bad. So I'm gonna have to grab these eventually. 75 after the savings. I'm gonna see if they have anything out of the ordinary because we've been seeing quite a few chics lately. Like, I'm like that with Air Forces too. I don't like most Air Forces either. The retro ones, they do make retro ones, which are a lot better in quality. Seen these, I think I forgot to show these at the last Shoe Palace, but do you got the Chinese New Year looking Kobe Protro 9s. And these are cheaper than anywhere, $75. Damn. I think everything else we did see out in Ontario Mills. They got grade school on sale. This is the cheapest I've seen the grade school. This is the only spot where I've seen these on sale. Wow. If your girlfriend wears these, or if your kiddo wears grade school sizes, that's what's up. I did talk to one of the workers. They did confirm that 25% off all the blue tag shoes. So I don't know what you heard. The dude left me a comment. I don't know. For grade school stuff, it's just been so cheap. Look at that. And that $42 for both of these Air Forces. Got one for girls, one for boys. Yeah, I got these for hella cheap as well. That's what's up. Rejuvenates right here. Is this grade school or is this women's? I don't know. And I can't tell. Where's the size thingy? I can't tell. But yeah, $40 freaking dollars. 40 means 30 after the savings. Got Ross prices right here after the discount. Selection not as big as the one out in Ontario Mills, but definitely a good selection. I think the video's a little short. Might have to stop by some other spots. They do still have the 9s as well as the Valentine's Day 4s.